We have already seen the various characters that can be used in Python. They are classified as alphabetic characters, numeric characters, special characters. In the special characters, we have arithmetic, relational, logical, as well as other special characters. Now, we are going to see how we can write some simple program using Python. Suppose if you want to add 6 and 7, the statement to be used in Python is s is equal to 6 plus 7 or sum is equal to 6 plus 7. Now here s is called as a variable and it is equated to 6 plus 7. That is 6 and 7 is added and that result is stored in the place called as s. Or we can write, if I write sum is equal to 6 plus 7, once again 6 and 7 is added and the result is stored as sum. This shows that we can add any numbers and that can be equated to some variable. Here we are going to discuss about the general way of writing this arithmetic statement. So whatever we have discussed so far, that is whether s is equal to a plus sum 6 plus 7 or sum is equal to 6 plus 7, it is called as an arithmetic statement or assignment statement. The general form of an arithmetic statement is v is equal to e. That is to the left of the equal sign we have a variable which is a valid variable name, and on the right hand side we are going to have a valid arithmetic expression. The meaning of equal sign is replaced by, that is the value of the left hand side variable name b is replaced by the value of the right hand side arithmetic expression e. This is what is done here. Now to add this Python program to add two numbers is sum is equal to 6 plus 7 and print sum. That means we want to get the result of this addition, so we are using this print statement. So this is a simple Python program where we are using an arithmetic statement as well as a print statement. So arithmetic statement add 6 and 7 and it is stored as sum itself. The other way of writing this is we are assigning value 6 to a variable a. Similarly, we are assigning 7 to a variable b, and these two things are added. Sum is equal to a plus b, print sum. So that shows the right hand side you can have constant or variable or both. Only thing is it should be each variable or constant should be separated from other by an arithmetic symbol. So that is why the right hand side is called as an expression. So left hand side is called as a variable name, and the result of this expression is stored in the variable name shown on the left hand side. Suppose we want to find the sum of 4 different numbers. Let us store the first number as a, and the second number as b, third number as c, and the fourth number as d. So these are the first 4 steps of our algorithm to find the sum of 4 different numbers. Then the fifth step is add the above numbers a, comma, b, comma, c, comma, d using the formula sum is equal to a plus b plus c plus d. And the next step 6 is output a, comma, b, comma, c, comma, d as well as the sum. Naturally, the last step is stop, which is the end of the algorithm. See, the Python program for this steps are a is equal to 56, which is the first step in which we are storing the first value as a. So here 56 is stored as the value of a. Second step is b is equal to 45, c is equal to 76, d is equal to 87, sum is equal to a plus b plus c plus d, and print A, B, C, D sum, because we want to print out all the 4 values as well as the sum. So this is what this Python program, which finds the sum of 4 different numbers. Like that, any number of numbers can be added here. Just we have introduced the arithmetic statement alone, in which we have used variable as well as some constant. Let us see in future how these variables can be formed, as well as how the numbers can be represented. So that can be the main theme of the next presentation. Thank you.